What if there was a simple trading hack that could make you 10 times more profitable? Well, recently what I've done is discovered a very simple trading hack that I'm going to share with you guys. Did you know that 9 out of 10 people that attempt to learn how to trade will give up after 3 months because it's a very difficult industry to see a breakthrough in? So instead of you being another statistic, let me release the curtain, show you this very useful information. But I'm telling you right now, out of common respect, if you guys do not apply anything that I'm going to teach you, it's not going to work. So stop being lazy, stop watching all those videos to the right side of your screen right now, and simply give me 10 to 15 minutes to blow your mind away, because this could be that secret that you are looking for that could give you a breakthrough in your trading. Before we start, if you guys do want to be mentored by me, I do offer one-on-one mentorship, and the only way to get in this mentorship is to book a call with me below. And I also do live trading sessions, so if you want to trade live with me on a Zoom call, definitely check out the link in the description. And one last thing, if you guys could show some type of love, like this video, drop a comment below, or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also check out my channel. I have a ton of other videos based around trading that will help every single one of you out. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, ladies and gentlemen, recently I discovered that everything in life should, or most things should be qualified to a certain degree, whether we're going to do that or we're not going to do that. Especially with trading, we want to have a criteria that needs to be met to identify whether it's going to be an A+, B+, or C+ trade. And realistically, what we're just doing is identifying, okay, is this a good or a bad setup? And we're just getting extra confirmation. Once I created this trading checklist, it made me understand that I'm not going to take just any trade in the markets. I'm going to share with you guys my trading checklist, what it means, and how you guys can create your own trading checklist and use it on an everyday basis. So the main thing that I want you guys to understand is we have C+ trades, we have B+ trades, and we have A+ trades. As I have more of these boxes marked off, I'm going to have a B+, A+, or C+ trade. So if I have an A+ trade, that means that I have all of these boxes marked off, and I'm going to risk 3% of my account. So it's important that you guys identify when you're looking at a trade, like, you want to first off feel the emotion of you want to feel like, how high are my levels of confidence? Am I feeling really confident about this trade, or am I feeling very low levels of confidence on this trade? That's one thing, is to take your emotions into consideration. The next thing though is you guys need to understand, like, what are the statistics? What's the data behind this? Do I have proof that this is actually going to be a good trade, or do I just have a hypothesis that this is going to be a good trade? So this trading checklist is overall going to give us a criteria that needs to be met to give us a really high quality trade. So with me, this is how I have it set. I have 1 through 6. I have 6 boxes marked off I have 6 boxes that I have that can be marked off. So you guys can add some of these if you want. This is basically fit to my strategy though. So I have this on a Google document, and to actually like get these boxes like this, you're just going to go to this checkbox right here and add it right here. Boom. Once you do that. So the first one is consolidation in Asia and breakage structure in London that continues into New York at 6:30. Second, rejection of 20 EMA with a spinning top candle, hammerhead candle with bullish or bearish engulfing. 3, a higher low or lower high is being formed. 4, spinning top candle, hammerhead candle, bullish, bearish engulfing. 4 is pretty much the same as 2, just no rejection of the EMA. 5, smooth trending markets. 6, 24-hour cycle, previous New York session sets a trend, and the current New York session is in confluence with that trend. So these are my 6 boxes. I would recommend that you guys have 6, and they don't need to be very difficult things to understand. Like, I have smooth trending markets. So that's something that I personally look for. Like, what is a smooth trending market? It's simply when the market is just going in one clear direction. Like this day right here. It's just going in one direction. Or right here, it's going in one direction. It's going down. So with me, this is how I have my trading checklist set up. So the way that I grade it, I have C+, B+, A+. For it to be a C+, I need 2 to 3 of these boxes marked off. And they do not need to be in numeral order. I could have 2, 5, and 6 marked off, that's a C plus trade. So I need at least 2 of these boxes marked off for me to even take the trade though. So if I have 2 to 3 boxes marked off, that's a C plus trade. I'll risk 1% of my account. A B plus trade is when I have 4 to 5 boxes marked off. That's B plus. I'll risk 2% of my account. And then if I have all 6 boxes marked off, that's an A plus trade, baby. I'm going to risk 3% of my account. I'm feeling good on that trade right there. So I want you guys to go through and create your own trading checklist. Maybe you have something like, if the stochastics crosses over the 80%, look for a sell. And if it crosses under the 20%, look for a buy. Or the RSI, if it crosses over the 70% with a spinning top hammerhead candle or whatever it is, look for a sell. And if it crosses under the 30% with a reversal candle, look for a buy. That's like one of your check boxes. Or maybe you have it if all the time frames, the daily, hour 4 and hour 1 are all in a downtrend, then that can be one of your boxes. Whatever it may be, I want you guys though to figure out like what conditions make it your perfect setup to where the trade is going to go in a certain direction that you favor. So maybe if you go through to the past markets and you're like, let me look at this. What do I see that has a common similarity that makes it a nice setup? Oh, maybe when it rejects a 66 EMA or rejects a psych level or breaks the indicator, the Asia low or high, whatever it may be, I want you guys to go and identify what are the 6 boxes or 6 criteria that you need to see to make it your perfect setup to where you'll feel comfortable risking 3% of your account. So let me go through and show you guys this indicator in action. Let's go to like June. We'll go to June 12th right here and we'll click go to. Okay, I'm going to just show you it. Okay, so let's get to like the market open. Okay, there's one candle, skip that. Okay, here's the market open. And I'm going to wait for like a couple of candles. Okay, so we have like a doji. Okay, I don't really see anything on this trade. Okay, here we go. So I can see we have a hammerhead candle right here. So I can go to my trading checklist and I can mark off 4 hammerhead candle. Then it is technically rejecting the 20 EMA because the body of the candle closed above it. So I can give it 2. Consolidation in Asia broke the high and stayed above it. I can give it 1. And that's all I'm really seeing. The 24-hour cycle the previous day pushed up, so I have 6. So right here I have 1, 2, 4, and 6. So what I like to do is write it out. 1, 2, 4, 6. So this is considered a B plus trade. I'm going to lock this. Then I'm going to go and get my position. I think it's going to be a buy. I'm going to go long right here to this next level. Stop. Let's have it like down below this previous support. Okay. We'll play it back. TP hit right here. So we can see that my bias was correct for this trade right here. That was Monday. Let's go to Tuesday and we'll look at the next trade. Let's see if we can get another one. Boom, there's Tuesday. Looks like we're pushing up. 24-hour cycle is relevant. Okay, I don't like this long candle right here. I think this was CPI, so let's go to the next day. Really, I just want to give you guys some examples. So this is Wednesday. I'm not going to trade that. We'll go to Thursday. Okay, here's Thursday. Boom. Okay, so wait, another candle. Okay, so look at this. We have another hammerhead rejecting the 20 EMA. So I'm going to go back and uncheck these. I have the rejection 20 EMA. Hammerheads, chill. This is all I really see right here. So I see a hammerhead candle rejecting the 20 EMA. I'm going to look for buys. Or first off, let's do this. So we have 2 and 4, C plus trade. 2 and 4, let's put C plus. put this right here, lock it. I think it's going to be a nice little buy. Go up here. Stops right below the wick. Let's play it back. Alright, TP right here on this candle. So it's nice to kind of have extra confirmation when I'm going into a trade. It's not so much a guessing game. This gives us more confidence in our trades and exactly what we're looking for. But I hope you guys got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely like this video and go and create your trading checklist. One thing that I did too with my trading checklist is I printed this out and then I laminated it so I had a physical copy. And then what I did is I just got an expo marker so I could just put a little X on it. And then when I'm done for the day, I can go and erase it. And I always will have that physical copy. If you guys want to do that, you definitely can. But I will see you guys later. Peace out.